What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be doing some handiwork. We're going to be putting this monitor onto this arm. So going to go ahead and install that, show the process, and most likely what's going to happen is I'm going to have to drill a hole into the desk because the back of my desk this clamp right here is supposed to go here, but on the back it's pretty long, so this is not wide enough to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. So there you have it, guys, the installation of the Vivo arm mount. Probably went like this, but had a little trouble getting it in there. I actually didn't have to drill a hole, but this is kind of sticking out a little too much this way, so I might actually move it a little bit more over here where I will have to drill a hole. I most likely won't record that, but other than that, it's actually pretty easy to install. Reading the manual went pretty easy. Had fun sweating, getting hot, getting under the desk, moving those things, tightening the bottom clamp. I actually think I need to tighten it a little bit a little bit more, because the little knob keeps hitting the desk on the inside. So every time I turn it, I have to kind of force it so that it can, like, how do I explain it? Let's see. So it just goes like this. It just turns, hits the desk, so I have to force it to push it like that. And so I don't think it's as tight as I would like it to be, but it's holding it up right now. Looks pretty legit, just floating in there in the air. But other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If anything, I'll post an update somewhere that I moved it around, but at the moment, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so that you know next time a video is coming up. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.